Eukaryotic cells are known for containing organelles, including a nucleus that houses the cell's DNA. These types of cells are typically found in more complex organisms, such as plants and animals. In contrast, prokaryotic cells lack a nucleus and membrane-bound organelles. These unicellular organisms, primarily represented by bacteria, showcase a simpler cellular structure. Organelles, often referred to as little organs, perform specialized functions within cells. For instance, the nucleus is integral in controlling cell activities by managing DNA and its associated functions. Moving on, the endoplasmic reticulum, which includes both rough and smooth types, serves as a crucial passageway for transporting synthesized proteins and various materials throughout the cell. Additionally, the Golgi apparatus plays a significant role in customizing proteins into usable forms, achieving this by folding them and incorporating elements like lipids and carbohydrates for optimal cellular function. Moreover, lysosomes function as the cell's waste disposal system, utilizing enzymes to break down damaged cell parts and debris, thereby maintaining overall cellular health. The cytoskeleton, composed of microfilaments and microtubules, is vital in maintaining cell shape and providing structural support, playing a key role in both cell organization and movement. Chloroplasts, found in plant cells, are essential for photosynthesis. They capture sunlight and convert it into energy through chlorophyll, a process crucial for plant growth and energy production. Finally, unique cell structures such as cilia in the respiratory tract and flagella in bacteria facilitate movement and filtration, highlighting the remarkable diversity of cell functions.